Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be needing a scissors, a balling tool, a foam pad, some gum paste, some sugar glue, and a 22 gauge wire to make a two-toned filler flower. It's so simple to do, and it's something that you will love doing to decorate your cakes with. All right, so in this channel we are all about making sugar flowers, wafer paper flowers, and all things cake decorating. If it is something that you like to always watch us do, then this is your time to click on the link and make sure you follow us right now. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Okay, so all I've just done so far is make a teardrop, and then I have put some gum paste in the hole that I created. Remember, I said it is a two-tone flower, meaning that it has to have two colors. Okay, that's what two tones mean. Now I'm cutting the after making that hole, I just used my pair of scissors to cut out make four strips, okay, so that we can have 5 petals, because this is a 5-petal flower. Now I'm using my balling tool just to frill out the edges of each of the petal, because you want it a little bit thin, and then you want to make it look like a flower, because right now it doesn't look like a flower, or before the frilling it didn't look like a flower. So I'm separating the petals and giving it some what I will call, just cupping them and making them look more defined. Now with this tool, I'm just putting a hole again in the center, and then putting some what we'll call some veins. Okay, I'm using that to create some veins. Now I'm just thinning the bottom so that I can cut out the excess of the gum paste. Okay, the next thing we are going to be doing is inserting our gauge wire into the center. So dip it into, that is the tip, into some sugar glue, which is made from CMC and water, and then just slide it into the center. And now we are cutting out the excess from the bottom so that it can look nice and pretty. Now it's okay if you want to leave it like this, but I'm going to be using some white gum paste or flower paste to create a little bud in the center. Do you love making sugar flowers, or would you love to learn how to make sugar flowers? I love making sugar flowers. I actually make sugar flowers for other bakers. I help them make their life easy, and so they send me their cake projects. I look at them, I tell them how they can make the sugar flowers. I help them to make the sugar flowers and send it to them. So I'm actually a baker based in Lagos, Nigeria. So if you live in Nigeria, you can hook me up and I will make your sugar flowers for your cake projects for you. Now, having said that, you can see that we have put the center at the a bud in the center. You can leave it like that, but if you love to go a touch or a touch higher, this next step is for you. Okay, you can highlight your flower in different colors that you like. So I'm actually using gold dust. Okay, it's a very sharp gold dust that is called highlighting gold dust. So I am just going to be using this, as you can see, to paint the center and the edges of our flower, and it's super beautiful. Are you going to be trying this? Please let me know in the comment section. Another thing we do here is I have an online class where I teach you how to make sugar flowers, the basics. If you have never made sugar flowers before, then you need to take this class with me. It's a class where I teach you from the scratch how to make some simple common sugar flowers that you can use in your bakery every day. If you love that, there's a link in the in my box below. Just go there, click it, and it will take you straight to where you can get into that class. Now this is the first of our filler flowers. Oh my goodness, I can already imagine it on a cake project. It's so beautiful. So you can also do this flower in whatever color that you wish. You could have the white under and the pink inside. You could have red and yellow. You can do it in whatever shade of gum paste that you want to, and it will just come out beautiful. You make sure to use two colors that complement themselves, of course, and it's going to be looking so beautiful. And you can decide not to paint it with gold dust like this, but if you decide, you can do it. Gold goes nice with most of the colors. If you are not comfortable with dust, or it doesn't fit with your cake decoration scheme, make sure you use whatever that suits it. You can use silver, you can use whatever color that suits your cake decoration. So I am super happy and glad that you have made it to the end of this video. Please like, share, drop a comment, and let us know what flowers you would love to see us teach you on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that you know when we post awesome videos like this. Thank you so much.